Welcome back. You're due now. You were supposed to have found a triangle in the area, not a triangle, a rectangle. And the area of that rectangle should be 32 because the length was 8 and the width was 4. So 8 times 4 equals 32. If you got 32, congratulations, you got it right. Today we are going to be working in coordinate planes and finding the area of shapes in these coordinate planes, all the ones that you have practiced so far and you already know. So in your notes, I know if you're on Google Docs, you can't draw with me. I am sorry about that, but you just follow along with the calculations and taking notes that way, okay? I wanna see your notes. I'm gonna comment on your notes and make sure you turn it in. All right, let's go ahead and get started and see what kind of shape we're gonna find in our coordinate plane. Coordinate grid shown represents a map of a park. A portion of the park is going to be upgraded with new playground equipment and flowers. The portion of the park that is to receive upgrades has the following coordinates. Point A, -4, 4. I will plot that right away. -4, 4 is A. Point B is 0, 4, 0, 4. Point C is 3, -2. And point D is a -4, -2. Okay. Each unit of the grid represents 1 yard. How many square yards of the park will receive upgrades? Remember, when I hear square yards, what does that tell me? Area. Square anything is always talking about area, so I'm going to annotate it like that. Now, if I want to find the area of the shape, first I should probably draw it and figure out what kind of shape did I get? What kind of shape does this look like? It's a trapezoid. So if it is a trapezoid, if you want to flip or you can go find the area formula, I know I have to find the length of the base, 1, length of the base, 2. I'm going to add that together. Then I'm going to multiply by the height and then divide by 2. So it'll be base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. So that's going to be my area. So let's first find my base 1. It's nice in a coordinate grid that I can just count the boxes to find the length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is my first base. 1, 2, 3, 4 is my second base. My height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm just going to divide by 2. So 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 times 6 is 66. Divided by 2 equals 33. And what were my units? Yards. So yards squared. So that is the area of this trapezoid. Now let's look at part B. The triangular area between points A, B, C will be decorated with red, white, and blue flowers. How much area in square yards will have flowers? So now I have to figure out a new shape, and it's a triangle. I'm going to color it with a different color so you can see what we're looking at. Now looking at this triangle, this looks very difficult. However, watch this. I'm going to flip this around. And sometimes it helps looking at it like that. I can see that my triangle here now has a base. Because remember, a triangle has an area of base times height divided by 2. So I need a base. My base will be this AB right here. And I already actually calculated that. That's going to be 6. Then how do I find the height? How do I find, this is an obtuse triangle, how do I find the height between this side and this point right here? Well, I know it's going to be outside of my triangle, so I'm actually going to pretend like there's this line coming down here and see where do they meet, okay? Right here is a right angle. How do I know this? Because squares always have a right angle angles. So what is this height right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's also 6. So my height will also be 6, and then I can just divide by 2. I flipped it just so that it will help me, but I can do my calculations normally. So it will be 6 times 6 divided by 2 equals 36 divided by 2, which equals 18 square yards. And that was my triangle. So you're going to find the area of these different shapes in a coordinate grid. I will be helping you along the way. You can always click the little headphones if you want to hear a hint or a little bit of help. And I'm also going to provide some videos to show you the answers to the problems. All right, remember, don't forget about your exit ticket. You don't get a grade if you don't do your exit ticket, okay? Good luck, you guys.